everyone, I am Jamrud Aminuddin from Indonesia. I am a lecturer at the Department of Physics, Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Sciences, University of Jenderal Soedirman in Purwokerto, Central Java, Indonesia. Today, I would like to present my research with the title Development and Testing Convolutional Neural Network for Detecting Ship based on landlocked satellite data. Let me start from the introduction. Here, I would like to show my general motivations. First, Indonesia is one of the countries with the largest ocean area. This condition causes Indonesian waters to become targets for illegal fishing, especially from foreign countries. Illegal, unreported, and unregulated fishing is a fishing activity carried out by national and international vessels that do not report the catch to federal authorities. The first condition of Indonesian waters requires not short time and not small amount of energy to supervise all Indonesian waters, especially for monitoring Indonesian waters for illegal fishing activities. For this reason, remote sensing technology is the right solution for monitoring, controlling, and surveying system. So, let me continue to the scientific motivation. As we know, the phenomenon of particular concern to the ship detection process using remote sensing system is the form of image with various position. The ship's dimensions are rectangular and narrow with a high view angle from space. This condition is different if the shooting process is carried out close to the object on the Earth's surface. The problem when the ship is assumed to be in a flat bounding box will result in false detection when the vessel is detected in an inclined position. For recording data from a very far place, pattern recognition in CNN or convolutional neural network was developed using a horizontal limiter to obtain results that match the actual situation. So, from the background, we continue to the methods of this research. Here, we divide into 5 steps. The first step, here we name image data acquisition. The data acquisition process of ship image dataset has been taken from this website, landlocked.usgs.gov. And in this website, we carried out in the territorial waters of Natuna regions in Riau Island Province, Indonesia. Around the island, there are Genting, Sedadap, Serasan, and Batuberan Besar Islands. This is the name of islands based on a local wisdom of Indonesia. And the second step, we did augmentation, namely color and translation augmentation. Then we continue to the ship classification. We have 2 sub-steps, namely training process and testing process. After we did this ship classification, so we continue to the ship detection using a diagonal direction. You can see in this layer 4 steps, namely ship detection. And finally, in the 5th step, we did system evaluation. We have 2 parameters. The first is accuracy and the second one is precision. From the methods, we can see the results and discussions. The first results are exploratory data analysis. Here, we show a spectrum of SIP and non-SIP. We can see here the original image, and then we divide into three spectrum: red, green, and blue. Here, we can see that for the SIP, the spectrum is regional, but for the non-SIP is irregular. Next, after we did an augmentation, we try to train the CNN model. Here we see a loss model and model of accuracy. The target of model loss is to make both train and validation to be 0 or near 0. And the target of model accuracy to make it 100%. From the train model, which consists of model loss near 0 and model accuracy near 100%, so we can claim that the model is accurate and precise. So, here I show the sample of implementation for the CNN in detecting the vessel based on land loop imagery satellite data. I start from Batuberian Besar Island. We can see here for the Batuberian there are 7 vessels, but the actual there are 9 vessels. The second, for the Genting Island, the ship detection for this area, so there are 8 vessels based on the CNN detection, but the actual there are 9 vessels. Next, for this Dada Island, we can see here there are 5 vessels based on CNN detection, and actual there are 5. So we can claim this is 100% true. Next, for the Sarasan First Island, we can see there are 4 vessels according to CNN model, and the actual also 4. So this is also 100% true. And finally, the ship detection in the area of Sarasan Second Island, we can see there are 8 vessels and actual also 8 vessels. So for this result, we can see 100% true. Let me show the summary. The accuracy of CNN in ship detection. First, for the Batuberian, there are 88% accurate, and Genting Island 89%. And for Dada Island, Sarasan Island first, and Sarasan Island second, we can see 100% accurate. So, the average accuracy for ship detection in image width 1060 180 times to 840 pixel size, the accuracy is 95.0%. What we can say, our model is accurate and precise. And finally, I want to say the conclusion for this presentation. The first, the study about ship classification and detection system in the national waters Indonesia has been developed based on remote sensing, satellite, imagery data using convolutional neural network methods. The CNN procedure improved in the study can classify ships with 99.78% accuracy and 99.62% precision. The system can also detect ships in 1,680 times to 840 pixel image with an accuracy up to 90.06%. So, the recommendation for future development, the ship classification and the detection process can be carried out on types of fishing boat with a larger size and other types of ships, such as military ships and others. I think it's enough for my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention, and I would like to say, see you. Thank you very much.